Hello, this is a 2013 Dodge Ram 5.7, and the customer says he had a code P0016, and he said that he changed the timing kit, or his mechanic changed the timing kit, changed the crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, and cam solenoid, and the code is still showing up every time he started the car, and then the check engine light came on again. So I decided to take it apart, and the timing was setting right, but here is the problem. If you look at that bend right here, the cam bend is bent. I believe he tied it much, or I don't know what he did, but this little tiny thing that's made the code came up. See, this just a little tiny bit. The truck drive perfect. Nothing, you cannot tell anything. There is no noise, nothing, like very normal. But this is the problem is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.